How to export your account data from Coinbase. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me go on to quick and easy and how you can export account data from Coinbase. Well, to export data from Coinbase, you can generate and download transaction history reports in CSV format. This allows you to access your transaction details, including trades, deposits, and withdrawals for various purposes like tax reporting or portfolio analysis. Well, first things first, you can either open up Coinbase application or head into coinbase.com. Now, it will be easier if you do it through the website. On app, it can get pretty confusing. So head over to coinbase.com on the web and click on sign in option. Once you have done so, you want to proceed to sign. Once you have signed in, you want to navigate to the statements section. Locate and click on your user icon, then select the statements section. Once you have done so, you want to choose generate a custom report to specify the desired date range, transaction types, and assets. Ensure you select CSV as the report format, which is compatible with most spreadsheet applications. Generate to create the report and then download it to your computer. If you need Coinbase Pro transaction history, navigate to the statement section and select Coinbase Pro from the top navigation bar. Then follow the same process for generating and downloading the report as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.